Let's talk about captions. Now, me personally, I don't really like them that much, but I'm gonna show you my workflow that I use to put captions on all my videos. And for me, this has been the best way to do it for vertical videos in Premiere Pro. So I'm gonna start by just initially breaking up my clip and finding the assembly of the talking that I want to stick with and keep, because making changes in the beginning is much easier than doing it later. After that, you're gonna open up captions and graphics in your workspace. Should just be right up here in the top right corner. Captions and graphics, you're gonna go ahead and click on that. And make sure that you have a text panel that opens up. If you don't, all you have to do is come up to window, click that, slide all the way down to text, and just click that. Once you do, you'll see this text window pop up, and it has a thing right here that just says create captions from transcript. I normally have templates of all of our captions for all of our clients. So what I will do is come up here to create captions from transcript. Go ahead and give that a click. Go ahead and keep caption preset as subtitle default. Scroll down to style. So now if you do have a template, this is where you're gonna put that. And this is going to adjust position, font, all that good stuff. And I'll show you how to do that later in the video. But you'll go ahead and click that. And what I like to do is drop the maximum length in characters to 25, just so it's not running along the sides or going double line. You don't want that in these types of captions. And then minimum duration, I usually do about 2 seconds. So it's still nice and quick, but you can read it. After that, I go ahead and just make sure I do single line, and then I don't usually change anything else. Then you'll just hit transcribe and create captions. Sometimes you have to give it a sec to let it cook, and it might seem like it's frozen, but eventually your captions will pop up. So after that, what I will do is I'll actually listen through the video and make sure all of the captions look okay. And these, you know, I'm not gonna do it now. This is the video already finished. I know the captions in the finished export are good. These ones, you know, it's just for an example. So if you do wanna edit your captions, all you have to do is click on a caption in the caption track and go over to the window properties. It should have popped up, but if it doesn't, you know how to find it. Just go to window, scroll all the way down to properties, and it'll pop up there. This is where you can pick your font size, where you can pick your alignment, you pick your zone, you can pick where everything goes, color, all that good stuff. Now this is already set up for how I like it. You know, the font is their font, which is going to stay true for everything. But let's say you just created a new template and you just adjusted one little caption piece. After that, what you would do is hit this little plus button at the top and go to create style. You'll go ahead and click that, and I would suggest naming it something that you can find. And it's gonna pop up down here in your project panel. As you can see down here, I have it as CWS Caps, Christina White Salon Captions. And now you can actually right click this, export text styles, and this will actually export to your Finder. So now in the future, anytime that you need to make captions for a specific client, you can drag that asset from your Finder to your project, and then you can auto put it in your captions. And this is just a nice way to keep things moving forward, keep things on brand, and just make your life a little easier.